So right now I'm walking the street and I got no shoes and my butt's dirty, but this is for the cause, right? Getting some weird looks. Hi. Yeah, so I'm about to go change because I look crazy. I realize I really look crazy because I'm over here, one, talking to myself, two, looking like with no shoes. Oh my god, something's coming. So today we're going to be working with one of my favorite photographers, London Mahogany. He is so dope. Like his vision is like really just beautiful, honestly. So I'm really excited to work with him again. Today we're gonna be doing a water scene. What's interesting about this scene is that I am going to be shooting it in not the best place. I'm kind of nervous for this scene, honestly, because people keep on telling me, don't go in the river, it's dirty, it'll die. But obviously, I'm gonna get in it because I want views. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Anyway, so the scene for this was inspired by I'm glad you stayed through to the entire video. If you liked it, please give me a like, give me a comment too, give me some interaction so that YouTube can put my stuff up on this algorithm. If you guys have like a particular idea in mind that you want me to try to recreate or do, put it on there. I want to see how I do my makeup, how I do my hair for the shoot, how I style myself for the shoot. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'll see you behind the lens and let's get it. What I do for the cause.
My craft.
For the art. We're losing a lot of light.